Are AI jobs secure? A reality check not long ago, IT jobs were considered the safest career choice imaginable. Learning to code was seen as a guaranteed path to stability. Software engineers were in constant demand. Outsourcing, automation, and economic cycles felt like distant concerns. Today, the same confidence surrounds AI jobs. AI engineers, data scientists, and machine learning specialists are often portrayed as future-proof professionals, the people building the very systems that will automate everything else. But history suggests caution. Because if there's one lesson technology keeps repeating, it's this: no knowledge-based job is permanently secure. AI jobs are no exception. In fact, they may be more vulnerable than people expect. Why AI jobs may not be as secure as they seem. AI is different from traditional IT in one crucial way. AI systems automate cognition, not just execution. That means they are particularly good at reducing the need for large teams of specialized workers. In many organizations today, AI teams are still large because the technology is new, fragmented, and rapidly evolving. But over time, complexity tends to collapse into platforms. What once required dozens of engineers becomes a managed service. What once required deep expertise becomes configuration. What once required teams becomes tooling. This already happened in IT. We no longer need armies of system administrators to manage servers. Cloud platforms absorbed that complexity. We no longer need large teams to build basic applications. Frameworks and low-code tools handle much of that work. AI is moving in the same direction. As models become more capable and tools become more standardized, fewer AI engineers will be needed to produce the same output. A small number of experts will design and maintain systems. Many roles in the middle will shrink or disappear. This doesn't mean that AI jobs vanish. It means they consolidate. And consolidation always reduces headcount. The illusion of future-proof, knowledge work. There's a comforting belief that working closer to advanced technology makes you immune to disruption. But history shows the opposite. Technology tends to automate itself first. Programming tools improve to make programmers more productive. DevOps tools reduce the need for DevOps teams. AI-assisted coding now reduces the need for junior developers. AI engineers are already using AI to write code, tune models, generate data, and debug systems. Over time, this feedback loop shrinks the number of people required. The more powerful AI becomes, the fewer specialists are needed to operate it. That's not a flaw. That's the point. So which professions are actually secure? If we look past hype and toward fundamentals, the most resilient jobs share one common trait. They require physical presence, human judgment, and real-world interaction. Jobs like nurses, doctors, electricians, plumbers, mechanics, caregivers, and skilled technicians are difficult to automate fully. They operate in unstructured environments. They deal with humans, edge cases, and physical constraints. A robot can assist a surgeon, but it cannot replace the surgeon. An AI can suggest diagnoses, but it cannot comfort a patient, adjust in real time, or take responsibility in a crisis. Manual professions are not low-tech. They are high-context. They require situational awareness, empathy, dexterity, and accountability, things machines struggle with outside controlled environments. Ironically, these jobs were once undervalued because they couldn't be easily scaled by technology. That same limitation now makes them resilient. The shift we're quietly entering. We may be entering a world where digital knowledge becomes abundant, but human presence becomes scarce. AI will generate code, content, analysis, and even decisions at scale. But society will still need people who can act, care, repair, build, and respond in the real world. This flips the traditional hierarchy. For decades, we encouraged people to leave hands-on professions for safer desk jobs. Now desk jobs are the ones most exposed to automation. The future may reward those who work with their hands, bodies, and human judgment, supported by AI, not replaced by it. A more honest way to think about job security. No profession is permanently secure. Technology, economics, and demographics change too fast for that. But roles tied to physical reality, human trust, and accountability decay much more slowly. AI jobs are not immune. They are simply early stage. The safest position is not a job title. Its adaptability and understanding where machines end and humans remain essential. AI will replace tasks. It will compress roles. It will change careers. but it will still need humans, especially where reality refuses to be abstracted. If you value calm, honest discussions about technology and its real impact, subscribe to Talking Tech and visit the feed tps://talkingtech.com/closing parenthesis https://talkingtech.com/ for similar long-form perspectives in written form.